Hello, welcome again. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of year 2024 of CDS 1 exam. Question number 39 is a chord AB of a circle with center at O is 2 root 3 times the height of minor segment. If P is the area of sector OAB and Q is the area of minor segment of the circle, then what is the approximate value of P by Q? Take root 3 is equal to 1.7 and pi is equal to 3.14. Option A 1.4, option B 1.7, option C 2.2 and option D 2.6. So this is your circle and this is chord AB of length 2 root 3 h and this is your height. H is height of minor segment, and this M will be your, if this is radius, then OM will be your R minus H, and AM will be your half of root 3h, that is root 3h, and this is radius. Okay, so now in triangle AOM, we have OA square is equal to OM square plus AM square. OM is your R minus H and AM is your root 3h. From this we get R is equal to 2h because OA is your R. Okay. So if if R is 2h, then this theta angle will be your, because this is your root 3h AM, so theta angle will be your h, because this will be h, because R is 2h, so this is h, so this will be h, so h by root 3h, theta will be your 1 by root 3, or tangent theta will be your 1 by root 3, or theta will be your 30 degree. If this is 30 degree, this is 90 degree, this will be 60 degree, and the whole of this angle will be at, or angle AOB will be at 120 degree. So now P is the area of the sector OAB. Sector OAB. Okay. So OAB. OAB. Okay, so this area will be your OAB sector, means this whole area. So area of circle is pi r square and r is 2h, so pi 2h square, and this angle is 120. So this will be a 1 by third of the area of the circle, because angle is 120, total angle is 360. So this will be a 4 pi by 3, and Q is the area of the minor segment of the circle. So area of the minor segment of the circle is this portion. So area of this portion is same, because area of P minus area of this triangle will be your area of Q, because minor segment is this part. Okay. Area of the whole minus area of triangle will be your area of this segment, minor segment. So area of this part P is your, or OAB is your, or is your same as we have taken here, pi into 4h square into 120 by 360, and area of this triangle is 1 by 2 base is root 2 root 3h, and into height, and because this is R, so this is h, and R is equal to h, so this should be h, so height is h. So solving this we get P by Q is equal to 1.7.